Well, hello, welcome back. A lot of things have happened over the last few weeks. I've had a haircut. But not only have I been learning Python, Tech, and Scratch, and the Raspberry Pi with you, I've also had to set up this studio. And I think you've got to agree that now the video is a lot better. I've just bought two of these new webcams. Let's see if you can see that. Autofocus. See. Oh no, it's not as good yet. You can just see that. It's the Anker PowerConf C200. I bought two of these. They're 2K webcams. Let me just show you the overhead view. You can see the difference. Yeah, what a difference. You can see all the writing. It's auto zoom. So yeah, it's really good. So I've also had to learn how to do the green screen. I was concentrating on that this morning. I think we got a lot better picture. And lighting all matters. So yeah, I've had a real great couple of weeks. I have learnt loads and loads. Okay, I thought today in this video we'd carry on with Scratch. Let's call it up. Here's our Scratch. I thought we'd carry on with the tutorials. We're going to add some more components. We're going to add some of the same components. But the first thing we're going to do is how we say something. Okay, with our sprite. Right? How we say something with our sprite. So we're going to use Scratch. We're going to use Scratch. And the normal one. When clicked, so when the green flag's clicked, something will happen. Yeah? When the green flag is clicked, something will happen. Now, I think this is the right colour. It's just that sometimes the colouring is it's not as bright as on the Scratch graphic user interface it is on the instructions. We're going to click say hello for 2 seconds. Right? And there's another one here, and it's say imagine if. I don't know if we don't get a drop down menu here, and it's the same colour. Let me just look. Think it's definitely the same colour. Say hello for 2 seconds. Say Do you know what? I can't find that. I cannot find that. Ah, it looks like we can change the words. Right. So let's put that there. Click on that. Say imagine. Yeah, with an E on the end. If for 2 seconds. Right. So this is how we're going to get sounds. Let's see if you can hear it. Hopefully you can. Remember, I've got my noise cancellation. So it comes up with, I thought it was going to be a sound. But let's do it again. Hello. Imagine if. So it's on here. Right, okay. Let's try that again. Oh, it's like you see in the comics, the old speech bubbles. All right, I didn't know that. Okay, so we've learned again. Press it again. Hello. Imagine if. So that's how we get our sprites to talk. Yeah, that's how we get our sprites to talk. Now, we're going to do something similar, but the code is different. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this, put it all back. And what we're going to do, we're going to fly around. Right, we're going to make something fly around. Okay, so remember, let's choose our sprite. Click on animals. Let's click on a butterfly. All right, we can now get rid of scratch. Yeah, and now we need to pick our background. So we come to our backdrops. Yeah, our stage. And let's come down here. Savannah. All right. We are going to click Savannah. Remember, you can click and move these around. Click and move them around. All right. So our butterfly is on the Savannah. So we go to control. Sorry, event. When the space bar is pressed, we're now going to put a sound and start sound, book it in, pop. All right, pop. Now we used this one before, glide, right? But this time we're going to use random position. So that means the butterfly will go to a random position. So remember, this time we've put the space bar. And remember, I did tell you, drop down menu, we can choose whichever key we want to use. Right? So I'm going to press the space bar and let's see what happens. There you go. Hear the pop? This is a great one to do with the grandkids, isn't it? This is a great one. You can change the backgrounds. You can, let's change the backdrop. Forest. Let's choose the forest. There we go. And we can carry on. Simple little program, but it'll keep the grandkids occupied for a couple of minutes. You can show them how to do this. You can show them how to do this. Right, great. Now, what we're going to do, we've gone, what we've done different movements. So what we're going to do, we are going to move a figure right and left. Move a figure right and left. So let's put up our back sprites. Let's choose Ben. Okay. We can now get rid of the butterfly. Let's choose our new background. Playing field. Right, so we put Ben in a playing field. All right, we put Ben in a playing field. Let's look at the code. Right. So, again, event, when. Let's put this here. This time, we're going to choose the right arrow. Okay? The right arrow. And then motion, we're going to change X by 10. Remember, X, left and right, X. So we're going to move the left and right axis. So let's find the change X by, okay, down here. And we're going to change X by 10. Now, we want this one again, when bear with me. It's a different part of the code. It doesn't click in, right? And we're going to choose the drop down menu, left arrow, right? And again, motion, change X by 10. Okay? So, let's try it. So, I'm going to press my right arrow. And I'm continually pressing it and he's going to the right. I'm now going to press my left arrow. Why? Hang on, let me, right, okay, my mistake. We now have to change that to minus 10. Right, minus 10. So if I now choose the left arrow, keep my finger down on the right arrow and he's running. Finger down on the left arrow, right and left. Again, simple little program. It's all building up where we can make games and stuff like that, which we'll be moving on to. Now, very similar, project, but up and down, right? So what we'll do, we'll change the background. No, let's change our sprite first. I want an animal and let's put in the hedgehog. Right. Let's now get rid of Ben. Let's change our backdrop. Come right down. Water, where does we can choose any background. Woods, yeah. Let's choose the woods. So we're in the woods. Okay. So, new project. So again, very similar to the last time. Events. This one here, when drop down menu, up arrow is pressed. Yeah. Motion. Change X by 10. No, it's change Y by, because we're changing the y-axis. Right, let's do that again. This time, the down arrow. Motion, change y by -10. Okay then. So let's try that again. The up arrow, the down arrow. Right. Now what we could incorporate is when the right arrow is pressed, change X by 10. Yeah. When the left arrow is pressed, change X by -10. So incorporating the last little activity we did. So up, right, right, left, up, down. Right, so what we've done, we just incorporated what we did last time. So you can see now we can move a sprite in any direction we want on the X and Y axis. Fair enough? Fair enough. Simple, simple, simple. Now we're going to animate a sprite when you click it. Right. So let's change our sprite. Something that can that we can play with. Here it says, we'll do what it says here, the rooster. Right, we can now delete the hedgehog. Got the rooster. And we're going to change our backdrop to blue sky. So we can see it, yeah? Let's put him on the line. And let's do the code. And events. Actually, let's put him in the middle. A little bit. When this sprite is clicked, okay, it's not that colour, it's that colour. When the sprite is switched costume to this one here, switch costume to. Now I don't know, we'll try it later. I don't know if that rooster, and we're going to pick rooster A, comes up automatically, or right, yeah, it seems like they're set. Seems like they're set. Then we are going to wait. Wait 0.3 seconds. Okay, 0.3 seconds. Then we're going to do switch costume to. So this should be on Rooster B, and this should be on Rooster A. And then when they're going to then wait 0.3 seconds. All right. Cool. It's just a little bit of code. As you can see, we're introducing new things as we go along. So let's click on the rooster, see if it changes. There you go. So basically, using all these, if we go, let's go to C, see what happens. There you go. And then back to rooster A. You're seeing how we could build this code up. We could do a move, which we'll be doing shortly, and you'll see the rooster, that you could make the rooster walk across the scene. Yeah, so we try that motion. Let's put this in. Move 10 steps. Shall we try it? Yeah, let's put in another rooster. And we'll keep him on C. There you go. We've increased it to 30 steps. Click on the rooster. Working through this all the time. So see how things are building up? Things are building up. We did glide before. So let's just have a quick recap on the on glide, but we're going to be doing a few extras. So what we're going to do, we're going to choose our sprite, and we're going to choose the earth. Right, let's get rid of our rooster. And let's change the background. Oh, we've got galaxy there, but they want us to use stars. There we go. So we've got the earth. Right, let's go to events. When the green flag is clicked, which is up here, when the green flag is clicked, go to. So we want the blue. So it's go to a random position, or go to, we're going to put in coordinates, y coordinates. Right. And what we're going to do, we're going to put in 0, 0. Right. And the next is a glide to the different coordinates. All right. So we could go minus 180. And what should we do? Minus 100. So when the green flag is clicked, this should move to the new coordinates, but we'll check the coordinates when we get here. You ready? There you go. 180, 100. Now what we could do, we could take that away, and we could put glide to a random position. Yeah? Are we ready? So it could go to any position because it's going to a random position. See how this is all fitting together? One new concept at a time. Right. So that's that little project or activity. We'll call them activities, not projects. Next we're going to do is we're going to grow and shrink something. We did something similar earlier on in one of the videos, but we're going to grow and shrink something. So first thing we need is to change our backdrop. So we'll change our backdrop and theatre 2. Used this one before. And then we need to get our sprite and drums. Drum table. There, tabla, drums tabla. There we go. So let's just put them there. Right. So this is a little bit more what's the word? Not difficult, but more involved event. So when this sprite is clicked, we then need a repeat. Okay. We then need a repeat, and in there 2. Put the number 2. Right. Now we need set size. Okay. I don't think we've used this one before. Am I in the right colour? Set size 2. Right. And we'll put in there 125. And then play sound. And we put that there. So it sort of clips into it. Okay. And we need to change the sound of what we want. High. Natabia. Or, yeah, that's what it says. So then size 2, and we clip that underneath there. See, we can clip as many steps of the program as we want within each side, within inside each other. Getting tongue tied. We'll keep that 100, 125. Right. So let's try it. So we'll click the sprite and it grows. And did you hear the drum? Hope you can hear that. Hope you can hear that. There you go. Adding more and more components as we go along. Now, there might be times, especially when we're going to be hopefully writing some games and stuff, when you want the background to change. So, we're going to choose 2 backdrops. We are going to choose Savannah. If I can find it. Right. Choose 2 backdrops. Hang on, I'm just sussing this out because it seems to me it doesn't explain how you choose 2 backdrops. But we'll try it. So let's add Metro. Where's the Metro? There. I think it might store them within here, but we'll see. We'll see. You can't. There's not a way. There's no way. It says 10. That number has slowly gone up each time we've added a backdrop. Right. So we're going to choose a sprite, and it's going to be Avery. We can now get rid of our drums. We'll put Avery there. Right. So we're going to go to an event when the flag is clicked. Right. Then we come to this, I think it's this colour. No, it's this colour. Switch backdrop to. There we go. And the first one is a Metro. The events. Await. Where's wait? We put in the wait. And it's 2 seconds. Switch backdrop to. So the first one is Savannah. Ah, right, cool. The second one we want set backdrop to Metro. Now we're going to get a say. And we'll put in here, let's explore. Yeah? Shall we try it? Shall we try it? And let's watch Avery. Yeah, let's watch Avery. There you go. It's all coming together. It's all coming together. Right. Now, we've looked at sound before, but we're going to add your voice or other sounds to your projects. Don't know how we do this. Don't know how we do this. Right. Let's get rid of these. This is going to be interesting, guys and ladies, guys and gals. Choose a sprite. It's a people. And it's a Champion 99. Right. All right. Okay. Let's get rid of Avery. Choose a sprite. Okay, we've got a sprite. Now, sounds. Where's the sounds? Boom, 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 boom. Ah, no, we go to here. Right. Okay, let me just okay, click record. Sound record. We need permission. Yes, okay. How do I assign permission? Bear with me. I'm going to pause the video just for a minute, and how do I pause it? Well, guys, I'm beaten. I'm really beaten. To be honest with you, I really can't find out how to change or give permissions for Scratch to use a microphone on the Raspberry Pi. What I will do is I'll research this, and then if I find a solution before the next video, because we're going to be creating a game on the next video, I'll explain how we allow permissions for Scratch to use our microphone. All right, so until then, sorry about that. I'll see you next time. Please don't forget thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.